What's going on, you guys? It's been a while since I've jumped on here and done a Facebook Live, so I figured that I would just pop in, say hello, and I wanted to update you guys. So, if you're brand new here to the community, first of all, welcome. We are incredibly glad to have you here as a member of the #1 messenger bots for entrepreneurs community on the internet. So, welcome from your lovely chatbot host, Nico Moreno. Now, first thing, and what I'm really making this video about, is I just put together a free 5-day course for you guys. So if you're brand new to this community, if you're brand new to ManyChat and chatbots, then I want to encourage you to take the course. So there's going to be a link in the description. Just click the link and you're going to get sent over to my chatbot, and that's going to show you how to sign up for the course. All right, so you're going to get delivered this free 5-day valuable training with a bunch of videos, some of the best videos that I've ever created. They're included for you free inside this course. So that's my gift to you, just as a member of being a part of this community. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about that. And yeah, I just wanted to make sure that everyone's having an amazing day, an amazing week. And it's just been a while since I popped in here to actually do a Facebook Live for you guys. So wanted to, hey, what's up, Nico? So we've got some people on here live. Just want to welcome everyone here who's joining us live. And as soon as this live video is done, I'm going to update that link up there on the top. And there's going to be a link for you to join the free course. All right, Nico says he's here, #live. If you guys are here live, be sure to comment live down below. And I'll give you guys an extra little high five, an extra little thumbs up. And if you guys are watching on the replay, then be sure to comment replay too. All right, Callum says value bomb, #, as always, Callum. All right. So thanks so much, you guys, for popping in. And yeah, if you've got any other questions or anything like that, be sure to drop them in the comments down below. And be sure to grab the free course. Be sure to sign up for the free course, which is going to be in the link in the description box up above as soon as this live video is done. All right, so thanks so much, guys, and hope you're having an incredible week, and I will chat with you guys soon.